Hey guys, so today I'm gonna start packing for Japan. We leave to Disneyland in like 3 days, and we're gonna be in California for 2 nights, and then we're gonna fly from there to Japan. So I'm gonna be packing for 2 days at Disneyland and then 1 full week in Japan. Okay, first is the clothes. I mean, I'm not gonna like pack it yet, but this is everything I have. This is what the first day when we fly from San Antonio, we're gonna fly straight into Santa Ana. So I'm just gonna wear a Spirit. It's a new Spirit jersey, and then my daughter's gonna wear just a little Zara shirt and leggings. And then whenever we get there, I'm gonna stick a tutu on her. So we have that. Then the second day, she's gonna wear the new Elsa outfit, and then I have this Spirit jersey. It's so soft. I love it. So that's day 1 and travel day. Day 2, I'm trying to pack really light. I also packed a fluffy Spirit jersey for my daughter and just like some shorts and stuff. 1 extra outfit, that's it. Pajamas. I'm probably going to carry everything in this bag. And okay, that's it for Disneyland. So I'm going to try and stick that into 1 packing cube. I forgot to add, I'm going to pack this as well with it. This is going to be what my daughter's going to wear on the plane to Japan. It's really soft. And then I rolled up what we'll be changing into because it's an 11-hour flight. So I'm pretty sure we're going to want to change before we get out of the plane. So I packed jeans for myself, just like a white hoodie, and then just little like soft pants and a long sleeve shirt for her, a bow. I'm also going to pack in this bag our 2 jackets that we'll be using. I have a scrunchie on here. And then my travel day outfit, which is just an Adidas pullover, socks, and some joggers. Okay, so I'm going to put all of that in that packing cube, hopefully. This already isn't working out. So my daughter's 4, and she still uses a stroller at Disney, but I mean, I know she's old for a stroller, but it's going to be a lot of walking, so I ordered this one. I've had it in my closet for probably 6 months. So I'm going to figure this out. I'm going to open it up and see if it actually is light and easy. So it's now Tuesday. Yesterday I kind of just wrapped everything up, and I actually kind of repacked everything. Before, I think the last time I videoed, I had all of my clothes out of a packing cube. I ended up rolling them back up and putting them back into one. So I'll show you all that. I'm gonna grab some breakfast and then just get my day started. Okay, I had breakfast. Braylee had breakfast as well. Braylee's probably just gonna watch she's gonna watch Frozen. We love Disney Plus, so she's gonna watch Frozen and she wants some popcorn, so she's gonna do that while I kind of get some more packing done. So this is what I got done last night. Oh, there we go. Okay, so PJs, a scarf for me, a scarf for Bray. I think I showed all this. Toiletries, medicine, stuff like that. Okay, and then this is the side that I kind of changed around a bit. I might put my curling iron there. Okay, so my curling iron, and then I have all of our sweaters are rolled up in there. I might open that up. This is the bag that I'm going to have my dirty clothes in, and then I'm going to check it in. So I'll have more room for souvenirs on the way home. 1 pair of tennis shoes, and then these are our leggings. I think we packed about 4 each. And yeah, that's it for I'm pretty much packed. I just need to go to the store and buy some Zyrtec. Excuse me. I need to buy some Zyrtec, and then I might actually go buy a straightener. I've had one forever and it just like stopped working completely, so I might just go to Target because I have a $20 gift card there. So I might go do that. And then after that, I think I can just close it up and I'm done with this. Let me show y'all the packing cube though. Okay, here's what the packing cube looks like. I have 6 out of the 7 sweaters rolled up in here on this side. It's all my stuff. And then this side is Braylee's stuff. I have all 7 of her outfits in here. And yeah, this is the most organized I think I've been. Okay, next is Braylee's carry-on that she's taking. It's just like a rolling carry-on. It's pretty small. So let me show you what I put in here. This is what the inside looks like. It's really small. It's just gonna have her little neck pillow, and then I put a backpack inside of it because once we get on the plane, she'll just take this out, and it has all of her stuff in it. Her iPad, and then just a coloring book and a little sticker book. Usually I pack her tons of toys, but I don't really want to pack a lot. I'm actually gonna stick the iPad into my bag because they're gonna have to check it in security. I know it looks like she probably packed it, but I did. She hasn't. I opened up this 2 packs of Barbies. This one was like a travel Barbie, and it has little things with it. She's really into Barbies right now. And this one was another one. I didn't want to put it in the pack because I didn't want a lot of trash. What is this? Oh, stickers. And then yeah, so that, and then this we actually got at Disney World. It's like a little pencil pouch, and then I have her, I can't do this with one hand. I have her little like twisty, what are they, colored pencils or colors? I don't know. I have those in there. Those are also from Disney World. I got these, she loves these. They have like little slime, and then they have like, I think like a few little surprises in a few of them. That goes with that. I mean, I feel like she could play with Barbies for quite a while. It's an 11-hour flight, so that, and then I just got a few little like party pack Play-Dohs. So that's it, which is surprising because usually I pack a whole giant bag full of stuff just for like a 2-hour flight. So hopefully she stays entertained. I know she could play with Barbies for hours, so. Okay, this is kind of what's going on here. Laptop, iPad, a few books. I just looked up good books on Amazon. Little shower wipes, little first aid kit, brush, sunglasses, regular glasses, a leave, makeup remover, little like face refresher, water bottle, Visine, contact case, contact solution somewhere over there, hand sanitizer, Excedrin, deodorant. This is dish soap because my daughter has like a special milk cup she loves. So if I need to wash it out, it's just like I put a little bit of dish soap in this little reusable bag. Lotion, again, I put it in a little reusable thing. I don't really know if I need both of these. Tide pen, chapstick, tweezers, a pen, kids melatonin in case Braylee needs to sleep on the plane. Little toothpicks. I think I said everything. Rubber bands. Laptop charger. This is a coin purse that I got from Anthro. It's pretty big. So apparently you use a lot of change while you're there. And then I got like this little passport holder. I don't know if I can open it. Okay, so I got this little like, so I have mine and my daughter's passport in here, and stick that in there. And then I don't know what I'll put in here. I might put our travel documents that I need to print out. And then I have our yen. I got out 1,700 US dollars of yen. I don't know if I'll need more. I don't really know how that works. And then I'll put all of my stuff from my wallet in here once I'm done using my wallet. It's like right before we leave. And then this is my electronics case. And I have wires for iPhone. I have wires to charge my battery packs. Headphones, AirPods, a little connector to connect my SD card. Then with this one, I put my, what did I, oh, I didn't put anything there. I didn't put anything in there. I put everything in that little bag. And then I have my little passport wallet, coin purse, electronics, hand sanitizer. So almost everything is in this little bag though. And then there's like a, I can't find the zipper. And then there's like a spot for your laptop. So I put the laptop and iPad in there. And I am done with all of my carry-on stuff. I'm almost completely packed. Okay, so that's it. I don't know, I might make this vlog a little bit longer and just take y'all throughout whatever else I need to do. But I am packed, which is great. Other than packing Zyrtec, checking my list, and a straightener. But I'm pretty much packed. I'm packed. So I'm so excited. Like I said, we're gonna be spending 2 days at Disneyland. We're gonna stay at the Grand Californian with our whole family. And then after that, we're gonna fly out of LAX, just me, my daughter, and my brother. And we're flying with Delta, and it's just a straight flight there. It's 11 hours or 11 and a half hours. And then we'll be staying in Japan for 7 nights. 3 nights at Disney Sea at Maricosta Hotel, and then 4 nights at Tokyo Hilton in Shinjuku. So it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be great. We have a lot of fun things planned. I'm still thinking about doing a tour. I might do one because one of the days we're going to Kamakura. It's a little bit further out, and I'd kind of like to, you know, learn about everything there. So I guess that's it. I might take you along, or this might be the end of the vlog. Bye-bye. This is everything. I have the stroller. I have my big luggage, my carry-on backpack, Braylee's carry-on, and then my carry-on, my other carry-on. So we have all of that. I'm gonna use this as a carry-on because I feel like it will break if I check it in at the gate. So I'm probably just gonna put that one on top as well. I'm pretty sure it's the right size. Seems like it. So we'll do that. Yeah, that's it.